I have not stolen. I don't intend to steal. Riches, wealth does not inspire me when I have not earned it. I am proud of what I have earned. People tell me, why are you broadcasting from the kitchen? Because it is mine. I broadcast from every room I like, and I like the kitchen. And some of you should learn one or two things about civilization. If you go to Europe today, you go to Japan, you go to North America, the kitchen is the place where most families spend their time, not the living room. I make my own food, I cook it, I eat it, I know how to cook. I'm not dependent on anyone. I am an upright African man. You say, Miguna, the problem is that you're too proud. No, there is nothing like too much pride. I'm proud only to the extent that pride makes a human being. I'm not over proud, I'm just proud enough. Because if you're not proud, you become a pig. And I'm not a pig. I'm a human being who believes that I have value. That's what you call pride. I am confident. I am very comfortable in my skin. I can speak about myself and market myself without apology. Why shouldn't I do that? Beautiful women call themselves beautiful. Is that bad? These rich thugs call themselves rich. You have not condemned them. That should be condemned because they have not deserved to be rich. You say, Miguna, you're arrogant. So let me deconstruct that. What makes me arrogant? Because I'm eloquent and you are not? Is that what makes me arrogant? Because you think I am coherent and you are incoherent and I say so, so that makes me arrogant? Because I believe that I have a functioning brain and maybe some people don't, does that make me arrogant? Should I say that I'm stupid when I am not, to be humble? Why should I say I'm stupid when I am not? Everybody knows I'm not stupid. So why should I say I am? Why should Miguna pretend that he's not a bright man? And he is. I've proved it. I've proved it consistently. Why is stupidity good? I've not said I'm the most bright. No, I'm not. I mean, they beat me in class when I was in primary school all the way to university. They did. Some people did. I beat some people beat me. So I acknowledge that. I know bright people when I see them. Some are brighter than me, some I'm brighter than. I'm not good in maths. I'm not good in physics. I'm not good in chemistry. I'm not an engineer. I didn't study medicine. So they're good, they're better than me in those subjects, in those professions. I acknowledge that. But I'm good at what I'm doing. And I have integrity. If you are sick today and you have tumor, whether it is of the stomach or the brain, the neck, whatever, would you go to a matatu driver to operate on your head, on your tumor, and remove it? No. You will go to a physician, a doctor, trained in surgery, to be able to remove that tumor safely so that you can live.